The objective of this lesson is to represent division using arrays and draw the division problem using a box, line, dot representation. In an earlier lesson, students used box, line, dot to represent multiplication and division problems in open area models. The lesson will focus on drawing the box, line, dot in arrays. Students were asked to name the product of a following area model with the expression 5 times 23. Students can count the lines and dots that represent tens and ones to determine the product of 5 times 23 equals 115. Students will be asked to find a missing factor using a box, line, dot array. 54 divided by 3 is solved by first drawing the box, line, dot representation of our total, 54. Next, the array bars are drawn along the left vertical bar. The divisor of number of groups, which is 3, will be drawn and noted in 3 vertical dots. Then the representation of 54 will be divided equally into the 3 groups. I will draw one of the 3 horizontal lines next to each of the 3 dots. 3 of the 4 ones will be divided equally. Next, 110 will be rewritten as 10 dots, and 9 of the 10 dots will be shared equally in the 3 groups. Repeat the process with the next 10, and they will be placed 1 in each group. Across the top there is 1 10 and 8 ones, and 10 plus 8 will be recorded at the top. 10 plus 8 equals 18. The total of the lines and dots in the array are 54, which confirms our work, and the quotient of 18 can be recorded. 54 divided by 3 equals 18. Let's try another problem. 68 divided by 5. Draw the array bar and the lines and dots to represent 68 outside the array bar. We will distribute them evenly in groups of 5. Label the left vertical line with the divisor of 5, drawing 5 dots. Evenly divide 5 of the lines and mark them used. Then mark 5 dots and record 1 next to each line. Cross out the 1 remaining line and replace it with 10 dots. Evenly distribute those 10 dots into the 5 groups. Notice that there are 3 remaining dots. Since they cannot be divided evenly into 5, they are the remainder. Looking across the top line, note 1 10 and 3 ones and record 10 plus 3, which is equal to 13 as the quotient with a remainder of 3. Our final equation is 68 divided by 5 equals 13, remainder 3. The objective of this lesson was to represent division using arrays. We met this objective by drawing the problem using an array bar and a box, line, dot representation, and we noted if there was a remainder.